Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how you can use the ClickUp inbox effectively as we guide you through the complete 2025 guide. Step 1 is understanding your inbox. ClickUp Inbox is your personal task manager that collates all your tasks, notifications, and mentions in one spot. This helps us because it saves time and ensures you don't miss any critical updates or tasks. Moving along, the second step is customizing your inbox. ClickUp Inbox allows you to customize your view, filter tasks, and adjust settings according to your preference. Now, why is this important? Well, it enhances your productivity by enabling you to focus on tasks that matter most to you. Next up, we have the act of creating tasks directly in your inbox. Just click on the plus icon, add a task, set the due date, and assign it to yourself or your team. The reason we do this is to ensure immediate action is taken on new tasks and nothing falls through the cracks. Now we've done that, let's explore the snooze option. You can snooze tasks that aren't urgent until a later date. This feature is beneficial because it allows you to prioritize your tasks effectively, ensuring that your attention is given where it's most needed. Finally, you have the option of integrating with your email. This way, you can handle your emails and tasks all in one place. This helps us because it streamlines our work, reducing the need to switch between different platforms. And that's a wrap, folks. By following these steps, you'll be able to use your ClickUp inbox more effectively, ensuring your productivity soars to new heights. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next one.